Hey Finxters, and welcome to this video where I want to show you very quickly what exactly is in the Python Finxter Premium membership. So what are the contents, what will you get if you join the Finxter Premium membership. So I designed the Premium membership to help users and coders to improve their coding skills on a very general level, but also I focused on the Python programming language. So actually you as a premium member will get 4 things. The first one is premium access on the Finxter.com app. So if you already use the Finxter.com app to solve Python puzzles, then this will give you unlimited access to all Python puzzles, to even to downloadable certificates and to ad-free puzzle solving and to a lot of stuff. So if you go into the Finxter.com app, here I have a test account called admin, and you see if you're a premium member, then you will see this small crown symbol here, and then you know you are a Finxter premium member, and as such you can solve unlimited puzzles, so there's no restriction at all. For non-premium members there's a restriction of 100 max puzzles, and therefore you also cannot, as a non-premium member, you can only see like 100 puzzles. But for example, so many Finxters, like here you see all puzzles, the historic elo of all puzzles, and this is also restricted for non-premium members, because now you, for example, say you improve from like elo 900 to elo 1600, so your Python skills improve over time as you solve the Python puzzles. And yeah, so for example, how can they improve? Yeah, you type something in here, now a dummy value, this will be wrong, which means that my elo reduces. Okay, so I use this as a text account, and then you go to the next puzzle. So this is how you, on the Finxter app, improve. You solve Python puzzles, and by improving your Python skills and your Python code understanding, you will solve more and more complicated code puzzles, and your rating will improve and climb over time. And as a Finxter premium member, you have like unlimited access to this. You can see the whole history over the months or over the years even, improving your skills and becoming a better and better coder, and you can really see this here visually. And also, if you are on the app, you can go into the menu and click on certificates, and as a premium member you can actually download certificates. Okay, so this button here only works if you are a premium member. So if this crown symbol shows on the Finxter app, then you click the button, and this certificate then, so if you download it, it is an individualized, personalized certificate. I have a small Python script that personalizes the certificate to your specific needs. Okay, so if you open the certificate, the PDF file that you can include everywhere. You can include it on like say LinkedIn, or even anywhere. You can use it for applying for jobs, and I have seen people linking to it at LinkedIn, and I have also seen people, so some people wrote me and told me that they use the certificate to apply for some jobs. And I mean, of course it may not be like a make or break thing for your prospective employer or client to hire you if they see that you have a Finxter.com certificate, so you have solved like 101 examination tasks and so on. But they will see this. I mean, here we award this notable performance with the title intermediate, and this is your specific skill level. Okay, so in my test account now, this has elo rating of 1600s or so, so this intermediate skill level. So, but of course, if you increase your skills, if you become a master coder, then you will see master class here in the certificate, and then you can use this certificate to showcase your skills. And your employer, I mean, it will make some impression on your employer. Yeah, so they will see, okay, you are a person who learns in their free time, and they will even see your skill level here. And of course, if you solve hundreds of code puzzles, then usually you will have at least grandmaster skill level. And then also you will see, you may be able to join the Hall of Fame, yeah, which is like the elo rating for all Finxters here who have climbed up the wall and joined the top 1% of coders on the Finxter.com app. Okay, so this is like one big part of the Finxter Premium membership that is included, this unlimited access on the Finxter.com app. And also, like also you see it's the uncluttered ad, so there's no uncluttered app, so there are no ads. If you go into the private window, where I'm not a registered Finxter Premium member, then you see, I mean, there's some here, we have some cluttering, we have some ads here that maybe, I mean, we need to finance the whole thing somehow, so we include some ads, but this is everything, all of this is basically removed for Finxter Premium members, so then you can really focus on improving your Python skills. And good, so this is unlimited access to the Finxter.com app, but then as a bonus I added the unlimited access to the Finxter Academy, and this is like an academy of courses. All of those are small courses that help you improve your Python skills. So we have a lot of courses, and we add regular courses over time, and you can see courses like how to create the Hangman game in Python, this is a practical code project, object-oriented Python, machine learning in Python, NumPy, introduction to data science, the coder's toolchain, algorithms, computer science fundamentals, so to think like a computer scientist, a crash course if you don't know anything about Python, a Python crash course with many videos, ultimate guide to dictionaries, to like one-liners. One-liners like my specialty. I've even written a book, Python one-liners with no starch press, and the ultimate guide to sets in Python, and so on. So we will add more and more courses over time, but I mean, you already have a very good course library here, and you as a premium member have unlimited access, so you can consume all those courses and improve your skills significantly over time. And so this is like the second, it's a large bonus on top of the stuff you already get on the Finxter.com app. But then we have a third course library, which is like, I thought, how can I make sure that people actually improve? How can I install a habit for continuous improvement in Python for my Finxter Premium members? And so I created a mail-based course system where I have many of those courses and some more I send to you via email. So you only have to, as a premium member, you only have to follow my regular Python emails, and then once every 2 weeks you choose the next course you want to consume, you click on a link, and then you will get automatically a sequence of emails with video tutorials and everything that will like gradually improve your code understanding in different areas, like NumPy, like Python general algorithms, and so on, and one-liners. I have all of those actually also in email form, in email courses, and you as a premium member have access to all of them, to like the whole library of the email courses we have. So this is really, it's very comfortable. It's more comfortable. You don't have than going to an academy or going to anywhere in the browser, because you don't have to type in, you don't have to be proactive, you just have to be reactive. Yeah, you get the emails and then you click a link in the email and you get automatically more emails. So it's very comfortable for you to consume. I mean, it cannot be easy actually. Yeah, you get the email to your smartphone and then you just open the email, you study the email content. That's it. And just doing this will automatically improve your Python skills over time significantly. I mean, if you do this for a year or so, your skill level will really explode. And okay, then we have so these are two things. We have the Finxter.com app access as a premium member. You have the Finxter Computer Science Academy access as a premium member. Then you have also the Python Mastermind group. This group is I created this course for my Finxter freelancer course members to help each other out with practical code projects and so on. So I want to have a group of really ambitious people, students who want to improve their Python skills and who want to help each other improving their Python skills. So I created this course, this group, and actually I only allow Finxter Premium members to access this group. So now, for example, this guy here, he wants to he is not a premium member, but he is a premium member, so I accept his request. Okay, so I accept only requests of Finxter Premium members, and then Finxter Premium members. So I'm actively participating in the group, and other Finxter Premium members as well. So this is also, it's very important to have a community of like-minded people helping each other out, and I created this group to be such a community. It's an like restricted access, only premium member get access to this group. Okay, well, this is the third big benefit you get being a Finxter Premium member. Okay, so these are the actually the fourth. Yeah, so we have the Finxter.com app, the Academy, academy.finxter.com. Then we have the email course series, and we have the this Python mastermind group. And actually also, like on top of that, Finxter Premium members get to vote on different topics. If they write me an email, I will usually help them out with So if they have coding questions or so, I'm like, I get a lot of emails from my community and I try to answer all of them, but I focus on my premium members because I want to, like, I know that they are giving me something. They are joining the Finxter program and they keep this whole thing alive. So I mean, it is you, if you join this community of Python Finxter premium members, you keep us alive, so you keep the lights on. So therefore I will be much more inclined to help you, and I will create usually, so if you have some content proposals or so, then I will try to address these content proposals from Finxter premium members before I address other ones. I mean, I even get a lot of emails from Finxter premium members, so I have to prioritize somehow. But I mean, it's just I just try to give as much value as I can to Finxter premium members. And if you don't like it, no problem. You can get your money back anytime within the first 3 months after you pay, and you can stop anytime you want. And you can really 2 months after you pay, and you can stop anytime you want. So it's really, I mean, there's no risk involved. It's very cheap actually. It's if you opt for the yearly plan, you only pay $9 per month, which is like nothing. It's less than a Netflix account, but Netflix will just consume your time without giving you anything. While joining Finxter. Joining the Finxter course program, joining the Finxter premium membership will increase your skill level, will increase your value to the marketplace, and will make you a much more successful person overall. Yeah, because you learn to code, you learn to understand more and more computer science related topics, and this is just very valuable skill set to have. And yeah, it's like I focus. You will have access to most of the contents in the Finxter community, in the Finxter ecosystem, learning ecosystem, and yeah, I try to push your skills level as far as I can. So join the Finxter Premium membership, try it out, and see you in the membership. Bye.